Wanna buy that sick new Valorant skin but only have a vanilla Visa gift card? Let's make it happen. First, head to the website listed on the back of your vanilla Visa gift card. You'll need to register it with your name and a billing address. This step is crucial. Valorant needs to verify the card details. Use your actual name and address. Fake info will cause the transaction to fail. Open your Valorant client and click on the VP Purchase button in the top right corner. Choose the amount of Valorant points you want to buy. Make sure the amount on your gift card covers the VP price plus any potential taxes or fees. Now, select Prepaid card as your payment method. It might also be labeled as Visa gift card or something similar, depending on your region. Carefully enter your vanilla Visa gift card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Double-check everything to avoid errors. Remember to use the billing address you registered on the vanilla Visa website. After submitting, you should see a confirmation screen showing your purchase was successful. Your VP balance will update instantly, and you're ready to buy that awesome skin. Enjoy!